Fascinating facts about deer. Deer are among the most graceful and captivating animals in the natural world. Found on almost every continent, these creatures have played an important role in ecosystems, cultures, and even human imagination for thousands of years. With their elegant movements, keen senses, and distinctive antlers, deer continue to inspire both scientists and nature lovers alike. Below are some detailed and fascinating facts about deer that highlight their biology, behavior, and importance in the wild. 1. Different names for deer. The terminology used for deer depends on age and gender. Adult males are often called bucks in North America or stags in Europe, while adult females are known as does or hinds. Baby deer are called fawns, and they are famous for their spotted coats, which serve as natural camouflage during their early months of life. In some species, the young may lose these spots as they grow older, while in others, the markings remain faintly visible. 2. Antlers, nature's crown. One of the most distinguishing features of deer, especially in males, is their antlers. Unlike horns found on animals such as goats or buffalo, antlers are made of bone and are shed and regrown every year. This cycle requires a tremendous amount of energy and nutrition. During the growth stage, antlers are covered in a soft layer of tissue known as velvet, which helps supply blood and nutrients. Once fully developed, the velvet dries and is rubbed off as the deer prepares for the breeding season. Interestingly, reindeer are the only deer species where both males and females grow antlers. 3. Speed and agility. Despite their seemingly gentle appearance, deer are built for survival. They can run at impressive speeds, some species reaching up to 48 km/h, 30 mph, and are excellent jumpers, often clearing fences over 2 meters high with ease. This agility helps them escape predators such as wolves, mountain lions, or coyotes. Deer are also surprisingly strong swimmers and will often cross rivers or lakes to find food, escape threats, or migrate to safer habitats. 4. A herbivore's diet. Deer are strict herbivores, feeding primarily on grasses, leaves, twigs, fruits, and nuts. Depending on the season, their diet changes. In the spring and summer, they prefer fresh greens, fruits, and crops. While in the fall and winter, when food is scarce, they rely on woody plants and bark. Their feeding habits also play an important ecological role, as deer help disperse seeds through their droppings, encouraging forest growth and regeneration. 5. Keen senses for survival. A deer's survival depends on its extraordinary senses. Their large ears can rotate independently, allowing them to detect faint sounds from multiple directions. Their sense of smell is equally impressive, helping them identify predators or other deer from far away. Although their eyesight is not as sharp as that of humans, deer can see well in low-light conditions, which is why they are most active during dawn and dusk. 6. Lifespan and natural threats. In the wild, the average deer lives about 6 to 14 years, though many do not survive that long due to predation, disease, and hunting. In protected areas, some deer can live longer. Natural predators vary by region and species, but often include wolves, bears, big cats, and humans. Fawns are especially vulnerable, which is why mothers carefully hide them in tall grass for protection during the first few weeks of life. 7. Wide diversity of species. There are over 60 different species of deer worldwide, each adapted to its environment. The smallest species, the pudu from South America, stands only about 30-40 cm tall, while the largest, the moose, can stand over 2 meters tall at the shoulder and weigh more than 600 kg. From the red deer of Europe to the white-tailed deer of North America and the sika deer of Asia, these animals showcase incredible diversity in size, behavior, and habitat. 8. Cultural and spiritual significance. Throughout history, deer have held symbolic meaning in many cultures. In Celtic mythology, they were associated with the forest and other worldly beings. In Native American traditions, deer often symbolize gentleness, renewal, and connection with nature. In some Asian cultures, deer are seen as messengers of the gods or as symbols of longevity and prosperity. Their antlers, which grow anew each year, are often interpreted as a symbol of rebirth and regeneration. 9. Migration and seasonal behavior. Certain deer species, especially reindeer, caribou, are known for their impressive migrations. Reindeer herds can travel thousands of kilometers each year in search of food, making them one of the most migratory land mammals on Earth. Other deer species do not migrate but still adapt their behavior to the changing seasons. During winter, they conserve energy by limiting movement and surviving on fat reserves, while spring and summer bring increased activity and breeding. 10. Role in ecosystems. Beyond their cultural and aesthetic value, deer play a vital role in ecosystems. By grazing, they help shape plant communities and maintain balance in forests and grasslands. Their seed dispersal contributes to plant diversity, and as prey, they provide food for a variety of carnivores. However, in areas where natural predators are scarce, deer populations can grow too large, leading to overgrazing and environmental imbalance. Conclusion: deer are more than just beautiful creatures seen in forests, fields, or even backyards. They are complex animals with fascinating adaptations, cultural significance, and ecological importance. From their ever-renewing antlers to their ability to run, swim, and survive in diverse environments, deer are a symbol of resilience and natural wonder. Whether admired for their beauty, studied for their biology, or respected for their role in nature, deer remain one of the most remarkable animals on Earth.